Today we are at Armstrong Dematic stall at LogiMAT 2026 where they are showcasing two of their major products, Rigel autonomous mobile robot and Asterope 4D robot ASRS.
India is on the move. As businesses scale, the need for supply chain automation is growing bigger and bigger. When the need for supply chain and bigger supply chains increases, it becomes very important to have a very reliable partner who can automate your supply chains. Armstrong Dematic is the safest pair of hands that can bring scale, speed, and precision to your supply chain. We come with a wide experience of doing over 12,500 projects globally, almost 22,000 plus stacker robots, 350 plus 4D robots, 1,000 plus autonomous mobile robots globally, 150 plus sorters, 35,000 plus multi-shuttles, 450 plus robotic palletizers, and 350 plus autonomous mother and baby robots. Our core strength is software orchestration. All these subsystems have to synchronize with each other very seamlessly. And that is what Armstrong Dematic is really known for. So you have a robust piece of mechatronics, which is synchronized beautifully with our software called Armstrong Dematic IQ. Here is a small demo of a 4D robot system, which is the most versatile, flexible, scalable system in deep lane or high density storage. Currently, we are doing almost 16 plus projects in India, which is the highest number of projects in this field. This gives you high redundancy, high density of storage, and these systems can seamlessly work with the rest of our systems. Here we are demonstrating an autonomous mobile robot, an AMR. This AMR is specifically designed to connect the dots between the high productivity automation systems that we do and yet give you the flexibility and scalability of these flexible systems. So we are on the unique confluence of combining the high productivity fixed automation and the highly flexible and scalable mobile automation or the robotics automation together. Globally, Armstrong Dematic is the world's best. It's the world's biggest brand known globally.